Hi, I am Brianna, aka Hook by Brianna, and today we're gonna be teaching you guys how to crochet onto like normal clothing, if that makes sense. Like this is an actual shirt and then I crocheted around it, and a lot of people were asking for a tutorial on how to do this, so I will show you how to do it. And once you learn like the basics, you can make anything really. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think will be interested in learning how to do this as well. And let's get right into the video. So the materials you'll need is weight 4 or whatever weight yarn you want to use, and then a hook that will go with that yarn. I'll be using a 4mm hook, and then I'll be using a small hook. This is a 1.3mm hook for me to poke the holes into my t-shirt, but you can use whatever item you think could poke a hole in it. I don't recommend scissors because that can be pretty dangerous if you do like hit your hand or something. So if you have a really small hook, I recommend using that, and just your yarn, and you're good to go. And scissors, of course. So here is my t-shirt laid flat. I will only need the front part of my t-shirt, so I'm going to cut this, and I won't need it to be that wide, so it doesn't really matter how I cut it at this point because I will clean it up later. Now this is longer than I would want it to be, so I will actually cleanly cut right here over there. And you can, and if you do cut it too short, the crochet can make up for that length. So now I'm gonna make it about as even as this side. Actually, we'll probably just do a bandeau or something, since that'll be the easiest to show you guys on camera. So I'm just gonna cut like as close to the picture as I can on all sides. But as you can see, it's not completely perfect, but it will still turn out cute. This one I did cut pretty close at the top, but I just won't crochet at the top. I'll just keep this raw. But like with cotton material, when you do this, it looks more clean, kind of. So now we have this. This is the base for our bandeau. And now we want to grab whatever you're poking your fabric with. I'll be using this small crochet hook, and we're gonna just poke holes as evenly as we can. This is where we will place our stitches. So I don't know if you could see that, but yeah, I'm poking these little holes here. And we're just gonna do that along the whole edge. Don't poke too close to the edge because the hole will get bigger when you actually place the stitches in there. Ugh. I will only be showing you guys how to do like the first 2 rows because, especially with a bandeau, it is very repetitive. And you can basically look at a tutorial for whatever style shirt you want to do, and you can do that design like around this cloth, you know? But I'll be only doing a bandeau, and I'll probably make it like white around it, just because I took the white off with the wording. And yeah, so we have this side done. You want to make it about the same amount of holes on both sides. So I'm gonna count how many holes I have on this side so I can put the same amount on this side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So I have 22 holes on this side. Now I'll make 22 holes on this side. So we're gonna do 22. So now we have 22 holes on this side as well. Now you will grab your yarn and your crochet hook that you want to use. Excuse how my hook looks. I need to order some more. But we're gonna make a slip knot. And place your hook into the first hole that you made. Pull the yarn through, and we'll just go around with single crochets first. Now, you're gonna place one single crochet in each hole that you poked. So you're just gonna crochet in the holes as if it was a stitch that you already made. So we're gonna do that all the way down on this side. And everything that I do on this side, I will repeat on the other side as well. So I'll only show you guys how to do this side for the sake of your time. And yeah, you're just gonna keep placing single crochets, and I'll come back to you guys once I finish doing that. So I have now reached the end of this row, and we're going to chain up 2. I want to do double crochets. I mean half double crochets. So we're gonna turn our work like we would do with a normal crochet project. And in the first stitch, we're gonna place half double crochet. And now we're just gonna half double crochet along this whole side. I will be making mine lace up in the back, so I won't have to do that much. But I'll show you guys once I complete this side, because I will only be doing half double crochets for this whole row in every row until I reach enough to go around half of my waist. Well, not even half, since I do want to lace it up, but you know what I mean. So I finished this side, and now I'm working on this side in gray, and I kind of wanted to do the bottom so I can do a little drawstring or whatever, but I'll probably just keep it like this after I see what it looks like when I try it on. So I took off 3 of these rows so it could be more fitted. So I did 6 rows on each side. Now I'll be doing the lace up detailing, which I'll be using a black sparkly yarn. So now this is what we have. I outlined the bottom and the sides of these with the sparkly black yarn as well. And then I like the style top where you tie this part around your neck in the middle too. And then we have the lace up detail in the back as well. So now I will show you guys what it looks like on, and that'll be it. So this is the finished product. One more time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful for you guys. And I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos that I have to come. And make sure you follow me on all of my socials. And you like this video, comment down below more videos you'd like to see, or just what you thought about this video. My phone keeps falling. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.